Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to access YouTube Studio on your PC. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address, enter your password and click next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page, where you can see the performance of your latest videos, current subscribers, and other channel insights. Now in the left sidebar, click on Content menu. On this page, you can manage your channel content. Click on Analytics in the left sidebar. Here you can analyze the performance of your YouTube channel. Click on Community in the left sidebar. Here you can manage comments on your videos. Click on Subtitles in the left sidebar. Here you can add subtitles to your YouTube videos. Click on Copyright in the left sidebar. Here you can manage any copyright violations on your YouTube channel. Click on Earn in the left sidebar. Here you can enable or disable various monetization settings on your YouTube channel. Now click on Customization. Here you can configure various settings for your YouTube channel. Click on Audio Library. Here you can download royalty-free music and sound effects for your videos. This is how you can access YouTube Studio on your PC. Thank you for watching.